Welcome to my season ticket vertical template. Let's take a quick look inside this and see what it can do. This template is very unique and has some awesome features. You can easily insert your subject to shut off the sample subject and drag and drop an extracted subject in there. Resize and place. You can change the ticket color and all the tickets in the background at the same time. Open up the master ticket, change the color, then change the other graphic colors. Of course, you can change and adjust any text you want. Don't forget there is a full tutorial included with the instant download that's going to give you all kinds of tips and tricks and show you exactly how to use this template. You can even put in your own logo. Then hit save. It's just as easy as that. One other cool feature is I can actually take a game day shot and drag and drop that into the template. Get that to fit, and you don't even have to use an extracted subject. As you can see, there's a ton of flexibility with this template. One last thing, this makes amazing banners and prints for parents. You can print up to an 8-foot banner with this very easily, or you can print off 4x6s, 5x7s, 8x10s, and so on for parents without the need to save multiple versions of this. Print them all from the same file. I think you're going to love it.